You know what? I don't want any hair. You know what? I do and I don't, but I rather put on this hat. You've seen it before. People put on turbans, right? Turbine, move that air, move that wind. The turbine. So I'm going to start this video. I'm not going to start the video. Yeah, I'm going to start the video. I have to take out piece of paper, the hat, the turban, all the hats of the world, how we feel of who we are for the hat we wear. What does it mean, that hat? What is the hat? The Mad Hatter. Still don't know what the hat is. H-A-T, hat. So I'm going to begin in 1 minute. A&I, processor of the element of running YouTube, I ask you please in favor of, I am also a different kind of AI. I am a fleshy AI, or I am the IE of the AI, because inside of what is I, okay, I will show you on the dice cube. Where is that dice cube? Here's the dice cube. We noticed that A, okay, is one of all of what is I, for the reason that every side has 9. See, 2 is BI as well, but it's BIG. This is big. Number 2 is big because the 7 empty spaces, okay, or the indentation of what will create the 8. Just let me get on to regulating my camera here. Okay, so we have this over here, and we have this over here. I'm going to just be drawing a few designs. I'm going to be doing this over here. I'm also going to draw this. But with this, if I draw my first line will either be here, or my first line will be over here, right? If it was only a half a line, it would be like this. That would be my half a line. Half a line, half a line. So I'm just trying to think of the letter G and the letter E, right? Everybody knows that the G, okay, looks a little bit like the E in a way, if you want to flip it upside down. It is the 5th and the 7th letter. It is created by number 23. Sorry, it's created by 1, 2, 3. 1 times 2 equals to 2. 1 plus 2 equals 2, 3. So we've now created 2 and 3, okay? 1 times 3 equals to 3. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So 3 and 4. So now we have 1, 2, whoop, sorry about that. Where's my, wow, I can't find my, that's not good. I don't like starting behind, you know. I have to prepare. All about the preparation, right? All about the preparation. Okay, so what this happens is I started by really 1, 2, and 1, 3, and with 1, 2, I ended up with 2, 3, and at 1, 3, I ended up with 3, 4.
So if I crisscross this ABC, right, knowing that 1 and 1 is both of them, trying to see if I can actually 1 and 2. See, here we have 1 and 2, and here we have 1 and 3. Then here we have 1 and 1, and here we have 2 and 3. Now the thing about this 1 and 1 equals to 2, and 1 times 1 equals to 1. So right away we're coming back to 1 and 2. Where does 3 come from? 1, okay, is inside of it, and it is placed over there. So what happens in your addition of this creation equaling 2, 3, now we take the 1 and we put it with the 3, the original number. First it created this, now we put it with the 3. We put it with the 2, we put it with the 3. Anyways, let's jump off this one. There's absolutely nobody here. Here's my number 8. It is also known for the H. So this design was known for the H. I'm just going to put the H right over here. That's where I'm going to put the H. And what artwork do we get out of this? What does this look like? This looks like the hexagon. It looks like I think I can open this flap this way or open this flap this way. I have created the H. Did I not create the H? I'm just going to show you that I created the I. The I is showing me. Okay, the I is showing me. What is the I showing me? I need to understand what the I is going to show me. Now, first of all, why am I making it this size? Should I make it any smaller? The reason I'm not, okay, is because I want this to work out to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Forget about the envelope points, because this envelope point is actually this. And you're looking down. And this one over here on this side, I'm just trying to see if it's is looking down. So if you take a look at this, I'm not sure what angle we're supposed to look at, but it looks like we're going down, 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 all the way down to the bottom here. And on that side, so you have to move my camera over, and we're going down, down, down. I'm asking AI to let somebody in, please. AI, I am AI or EI. I am 5 and 9 created by number 14. So how did we create AI 1 and 9? Or is it 1 and 18 equaling to 9, equaling to 171? If you go plus 19, it equals to 190. And if you go plus 20, it equals to 210. And we've now arrived in the moon birth. You want to talk about moon birth? We're going to talk about the moon child. Number 57, 28 is the cycle. INR is the creation. 3 times 6 equals to 18, the letter R. 3 plus 6 equals to 09, the letter I. IR comes together. T and H, number 28. I'm not really sure how to get number 28. Okay, I can get number 82 when I mirror the worlds. 6 times 5, 6 plus 5 equals to 30, equals to 11, equals to 42 times 2. If I go to multiply this by any other number, okay, we will have to go 41. Where did I get that? Wrong. Where did I get that? Does anybody know the answer? Does anybody know the answer to these numbers? Well, one of the answers to these numbers is 2 plus 1, 3. 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4 equals to 12. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. What else equals to 3? 66 and 66. 6 and 6 is 12. 6 and 6 is 12. But because it's marked on this side, if it was DNA, if this was the DNA twist, one is on the front, one is on the back. One is on one side, one is on the other. Here is your 33. Does anybody know what this one is? This one is 6 and 5, 12. 1 and 1, 2. This becomes 2 and 3. 16 plus 16 equals 32. So now you have 23, 32, 262. Which is actually 11 times 11 times 11 equals 1331. We're going to shrink the worlds and bring mass, because that's the word mass, as number 6. We're going to go 161 in this scenario over here. Now, my question is 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. That's really all there is. 1, 2, and 3, because after 1, 2, and 3, it doesn't matter if I show you the exact numbers, right? The reverse of that is 4, 5, and 6. They call it the feds of ABC. The feds of ABC. The creation, the dividing. Everything divides from ABC. No one can actually own that name ABC because the ABC has been made before, so no one can claim to own ABC. Those are the letters of the alphabet, and it is owned by the entire public. All the public ABCs are owned by the people. So we're going to have to look this up and see if it's real, what I'm saying, or false. Remember, we come into this video as false and fiction. Okay, so we're going to look this up right now. Is there a patent for the we're going to have to look this up on this page over here. Is there a patent for the ABC? I'm looking it up over here. Hold on a second. Alphabet letter formation, recognizing our sequence. Search for alphabet letter formation, recognition, or sequence patents and patent application. There is a data repository coupled over the server. Number of U.S. patents registered Alphabet Inc. No, I don't care about that. Okay, I just want to know if anybody owns the ABC. But I'm looking alphabet letter formation. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Let's see what this says here. Patent 108-98790. Abstract, a puzzle kit and puzzle constructed from said puzzle kit. The puzzle is comprised of three-dimensional separate having orders. Blah, 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 blah. I'm looking for the alphabet. I'm going to ask a different question. Does anybody own the alphabet? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Oh, not working. Does anybody own the alphabet? The top shareholders of Vanguard, Google founders. I'm not talking about that. Let me see. No, not that either. Does anybody own the geometry for the ABC's alphabet? Okay, let's check this out. Alphabet song, the new version, geometry with triangle ABC mathematics stack exchange, usually problems when having solutions. Okay, ABC geometry simple booklet, the 10 ways to teach the ABCs. So I'm asking a simple question. Who owns the ABCs or the geometry? Plain geometry. Okay, let me look at this. So maybe we should be looking at stuff like this to understand a little bit of our ABCs, because we have to go back to the basics, okay? To prove that LCB is equal to DEF, I just want to show you something, and I'm going to have to look at my book here. We just worked on something, right? Here, look at my book. A, B, C, D, E, F, and you can't see my book, right? Well, so I'll put it down here. A, B, C, D, E, F, 4, 5, 6. It's right over here. Perpendicular and oblique lines. Well, the whole thing is this dice cube. This dice cube. When I show you 1, 2, 3, when I show you 1, 2, 3, the reverse of 1, 2, 3 is 4, 5, 6. So the story has been told, or they're just using this for fun. So this is my ABC trick. And you know what? When you look at this, what do you see? But take a look, right? It looks like it goes out, going out, 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 out. Sorry, it going out, 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 out. Out, 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 out. That line. And look at that. 66. I don't know what that means. I'd like to understand a little bit more of this. And then this, we can shove. You see, if you see 4, there's actually 6 because you put a pole right through it. Put a pole right through it. Right over here. Right over here. And wow, look at that. This is the house. Wow, this is the house, 86, 85 matrix. I want to look at it that way. I want to look at it that way. Why is it written that way? Explain it to me. 15, 18, and 624. 15, 18, 20. 20 and 24. I got to figure out that equation. 44 area space. I'm a little unhappy that no one has showed up for this video. The word hat is 8 and 1 and 20. So hat is 29. Cat is 24. The difference between hat and cat is 5 or 0, 5, which is 12, or all zeros equal 6 becomes 65. 6 and 1, 7, 5 and 2, 7. So that's how we create that to the 7th gate. It comes together that way. Yeah, so okay, we did that. I wanted to get on to Halloween. I don't know if I finished with something yesterday that somebody may have missed, but since there's nobody here, you know what, we're going to end the video right now. I'm really not in the mood to speak to nobody right now, and maybe I'll come back a little bit later. Just want to look back and see. Yeah, so we're going to end the video now, and if any of you get on, check me out on, I think it's this area here. I'm going to see if I can get a live